Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Lockdown Techie. Hope you are doing safe in this pandemic time. We have already done an unboxing of Philips 1217 air purifier. As I had already told, we will just go ahead for setting up that air purifier today in this video. We have done the review of that. If you want to check, you can check on this I link. Click on this I link and get the description. Get through that video. And do check it out before going to this video because we have already done an unboxing and review of that as well. So let's go ahead for setting up that. Yeah. So here we have, when we open from the box, we'll have this. We'll need to open the three straps that we see on both the ends, so that the front panel of the air purifier comes out. So I'm opening for this side, then I'll go for the other side. We'll not entirely remove it because we'll be needing it for fixing it further. So we'll just remove it temporarily, and once our filter is added, all the setup is done, we'll again put those straps. So I'm that way folding the straps and putting it like this. So you can also use that method. After that, you see there is I'm pointing 2 points here, right? You need to press there, and then we will open the front panel of the air filter. We'll open it. Once we open, we will have 3 filters. This is the pre-filter, and the other one, whatever you see black one, is the black series activated filter, and those all will be plastic wrapped, so we need to open the wraps as well, because sometimes if you don't open the wraps, then it will be not working fine. So I have these 3 filters. This is black series activated carbon filter, and this is the pre-filter, that is the first layer of purification, and this is the main true HEPA filter layer, last layer. So we'll go ahead for setting. First we'll set the HEPA filter. We need to see we are seeing a strap that is opening, right? We need to put that towards outside so that whenever we want, we can open it. We just mark or work on that mark that you see. Now go ahead for setting it inside your filter in this manner, and press it for setting it up. Once this is done, we'll go ahead for setting up the black series activated carbon filter. Here also we'll find the logo and the strap, and put it in a way that you can open it, because you need to open it to clean it as well. Next we'll go for that pre-filter. You have 2 heads down, you need to put that, and then we have to do a setting of that as well. Once it's done, we are all set for these 3 filters. Now we have to put the cover. For that we have this panel where we will be seeing that you'll be having an option, and that Philips logo would be towards the front side, and we need to set it in this manner. So once we are set, we'll just push it back, and then we'll put the straps again back like we have opened it initially. So once we put it, that's all, we are set. The setup is completed. Now we'll go ahead for how it works. We'll just power it on. So when you power on, you will see this T option there. That means it is automatically running. Everything is automated. So this is the power option, this is the sleep mode, and this will also control your fan as well. So A means that is automated, and the color rings that you see, that is a real-time air index that we have talked in that review video, right? It is trying to filter, and we have this. We have a fan option on the side as well, which will tell you the fan speed, if you can put it any fan speed. And then the last option that we see, that is having a lock option, that is for child lock. Suppose you have kids in your house, you just need to place it for some time so that it will activate the child mode, and that will this all keys will not work. Okay, once the child mode is activated. So you get this real-time index, as I have already told. So that's all. You are all set. If you have any doubts, you can put your doubts in the comments. So you start using it, you will know how other operations are working. And the child mode is one of the significant features, because we have, if we have kids, then it will help us a lot. Like it will deactivate the entire panel and only automatic things will be working. So you'll have an option for child mode as well. Means when it gets activated, you will have a blinker in the down telling that child mode is activated. Guys, we have completed the setting of the air purifier, and if you have any queries on that, you can just put in the comments below. Like the video, then click on the like button. If you want for any such videos, you can just subscribe the channel for the upcoming tech videos that I will be passing on through.
Thank you for watching the video. Hey, wait, where are you going? Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel before leaving the video.